Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, bringing you a video today on this 2013 Nissan Rogue IntelliKey that we just did a Fortin plug-and-play remote starter on with OEM key fob control. So I just want to go through a couple of things. Basically, 2013 Nissan Rogue IntelliKey. It's like push start, but it's actually a knob where you have to turn the key. So I'm just going to walk over. I'm going to open the vehicle, and I'm going to show everybody what IntelliKey is. It's this. It's the knob turn system. So you can actually still put a key in there, but essentially it was the in-between key start and push to start that Nissan, however you say it, came out with back when this car was new. Many Nissan and Infiniti vehicles use this IntelliKey system. So that's what this vehicle is equipped with. The system that we installed was a Fortin EVO-ONE paired with the THAR1 NIS5. And it is controlled using the OEM key fob, which is this guy right here. So I'm just going to show you. I'll back up. And if I go, so 3 lock presses, you'll hear the ignition fire up, and the vehicle turns right on. Now, I've got unlock before, lock after arm setup, so it'll disarm the factory alarm and then rearm it. And if I want to, I can go 3 presses again, and it shuts it right down. Now, you may have noticed in the video that the dash panels are taken down still. The reason that they're down is the customer's going to be putting the car back together. He didn't bring the panels. He had tried to do the install himself, and then he got stuck on some of the connections. So we ended up finishing it for him. He did buy all the product from Lockdown Security. So if you or someone you know wants a remote start for a Rogue, feel free to give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118, or visit us on the web, lockdownsecurity.ca. I'll put a link to the system in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video of a 2013 Nissan Rogue OEM key fob remote start to keep this vehicle warm in the winter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Have a great day.